Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and something that's really important to me and my husband is making sure that we've got the right gear for any kind of task that we're going to tackle. So, having this pair of chainsaw chaps from MGP Supply has been so important. Now, we're not like full-time loggers or anything like that, but when we have landscaping things that need to be done around the yard, we're so happy that we have this pair of chainsaw chaps. Now, we got the 37-inch in brown, and my husband is 6 foot, I'm 5'4", and either one of us can wear these perfectly, and they cover all the important areas. I love that it has an adjustable belt because we're different heights and different weights. I can fold the belt over with the snaps, and then there's an adjustable belt for that around the waist and adjustable belts around the legs. These are easy to put on, easy to take off. They're very, very lightweight, and they give you all the protection that you need. You can move freely around with these, and they're very comfortable, and they don't make you over hot. We use them for all different kinds of tasks around the yard, whether that's with our big chainsaw or our little chainsaw. You just can't be too careful. I love that MGP Supply is a small business that's owned by women and that these chainsaw chaps are OSHA approved. Just check the website for all the different standards that they cover. Don't leave your protection to chance. Make sure you have all the right accessories to make your day out in the yard or logging as protected as possible, and get yourself a pair of these chainsaw chaps. It's worth it for the peace of mind. We really love them, and that's our point of view.